the way they look. I like the shiny steel and the polished wood. I don't care if they're big or small. If they're for sale, hell, I want them all. I like guns, I like guns, I like guns.
Is it on?
This is America! Where we drive trucks, we drink beer, we fuck bitches, and we fuck a lot of bitches too. It's America, people. We don't give a fuck about damn Arabs. We kill them motherfuckers. We drink us some good beer. Fuck you!
What we done do down in the South ain't nothing like what y'all know them folks do up here, y'all heard?
You know what I say about this South? Cause we drive trucks. We drive trucks and we drink beer and we smoke cigars and we smoke that marijuana and we smoke that fucking dope and we smoke that other shit that you smoke that gets you fucked up, and we do them mushrooms and we take that ecstasy and we snort that goddamn coke. And we do all that crazy shit, and then we go out and we kill some shit, some fucking animals. That's what we about to do right now. What we gonna kill today, boy? We gonna kill some kitty cats, because that's how much I fucking like freedom that I'm gonna kill me a kitty cat.
Hell yeah!
I wanna kill something that means something, like someone's pet. I'm gonna kill someone's kitty cat today.
Why don't y'all tell folks right at home right here what we done did this morning?
This morning we went out and we went for breakfast. We had a nice, genuine sit-down breakfast at a nice old diner called Perkins. Ain't nothing like that other shit that we get at Annie's house. It's alright. Then we came back to the crib, the estate, where we just grabbing our ammunition. We getting the truck ready. We putting our freaking flags up. We gonna tear it up. And the memories chasing me.
I'm so fed up with everyone around me. No one seems to care. I'm just so far gone and nothing's gonna change. I'll never be the same. It's always do this, do that, everything they want to. I don't wanna live that way. Every chance they get, they're always pushing me away. It's never enough, no, it's never enough, no matter what. It's never enough, I'll never be what you want me to be. It's all so messed up and no one ever listens. Everyone's deranged. I'm just so fucked up and I'm never gonna change. Wanna lay it all to waste. They're always say this, say that, nothing that you want to. I don't wanna live that way. Every chance they get, they're always shoving me aside. It's never enough, no, it's never enough, no matter what I say. It's never enough, no, it's never enough. I'll never be what you want me to be. I'm done. In the end, we're all just chalk lines on the concrete, drawn only to be washed away. For the time that I've been given, I am what I am. I'd rather hate you for everything you are than ever love you for something you are
Going for a little ride in the back of this here pick 'em up truck. You can see her if you're looking.